Okay, so officially at the spot where I turned around last time because I was so dizzy and dehydrated. We're at 5,100 feet above sea level. So I left sea level 3 hours 20 minutes ago, and I am close to the top now. Feeling good, legs are feeling good. I didn't run out of water this time, and I now have just over 100 feet in altitude left to go, and that'll be a wrap. Should be about 19 miles point to point, and then start the ride back down again. Temperature's been fluctuating between 70 and I think around 82. Currently at 77, and it's 2:23 in the afternoon, so almost there. So I will keep the camera rolling. The views up here are absolutely spectacular. A little hard to see today, just to the fog and haze and a little bit of wildfire smoke. Anyway, 5,155 feet. I think the summit is 5,240. So now 80 feet left to go. This is new territory for me. I didn't do this part of the ride last time, and looking forward to getting to the top and heading back down. That guy. All right, looks like we're here. Damn, I was how close I was last time, but there's the visitor center right there. Wow. Hey man, how's it going?
All right, man.
Thanks, you too. Alright, here it is. They lied. It's only 5,177 feet, but that's okay. Let's go to the visitor center and I think it's time for one of these. Brought Johnny Utah with me, and the sound of glory. Cheers. There it is. Cheers.